Hop into the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Equinox, the small SUV with a big spirit of adventure. Passenger-friendly, loaded with safety features, and great for hauling cargo, it's an ideal family car. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.